Hey guys, it's VivianWynter back with a kids styling edition featuring the CatAndJack collection from Target. I want you guys to take note of a couple things. What I'm trying to do is give you a tutorial on how to mix and match pieces in the same color families, the same with different patterns, different looks, but also minimal pieces. That's what a capsule collection is. It's building multiple looks with minimal pieces. So take note of how the shoes are all plain but different styles, and also most of your prints are in the top. So let's feature a cute little bag here for the girls while they go to elementary and middle school. Again, showing you guys how to mix and match. This is a cute floral dress inspired by Free People. We can throw on a sweater with this, do cowboy boots with this, we could do sneakers, couple cute little skirts and top combos I want you guys to just get into really quick. So cute. Pulling out those bell-bottom jeans, going to use the Taz inspired Uggs. We're going to use cowboy boots and tennis shoes. Again, different combos, y'all. Mixing and matching, mixing and matching. That's really the key. This is for the girls who like to wear crop tops. It's a little bit shorter and a little bit of a wider fit and wider cut. I'm going to feature something that's longer and leaner in just a second. That's it there. So you guys can see how to make that work for any girl that's just a little bit self-conscious and just wants to be a little bit more conservative. I think it's cute. We can also obviously pull out a printed sweatshirt, and that goes with everything in our capsule. I mean, look, y'all, we're not making this hard. Printed tops, solid bottoms. Everything's going with everything. Cute Barbie inspired collection. Gonna throw that with a pair of black leggings. Think I'd forget about the kids? Absolutely not. This is just for the baby girls. So cute. Throw some boots on, throw the tennis shoes on. Honorable mentions, it's really pretty party dress, and also this cute tennis dress. Y'all get into it with the shorts. So cute. Long lean lines, gonna fit the kids well. This acid wash tee is inspired by Splendid, which you can find at Bloomingdale's and Neiman Marcus. So cute. We're gonna do a little color blocking here, transitioning from summer to fall. You seeing how we're just mixing and matching these multi-pack dresses? Being able to grab a couple different prints that work with our shoes still, you guys. That's the key. Printed tops, solid bottoms. Kids going back to school. Hey!